Daily markup for EURUSD for Friday, for Tuesday, the 23rd of January 2024. I'm making this kind of a video after a long time, primarily because my throat has not been the greatest. I'm recovering even now, but it is what it is. So this is the daily chart. We are, as far as the swing structure is concerned, we are bearish. Why? Because we've had a break of structure over here, and after a break of structure we can expect a pullback, and currently we are in the pullback phase. How do we know that the pullback is over? Well, we've gone pretty deep inside here, and after that we've had a change of character over here when we broke this low, and thereafter we kind of coming down. However, I would consider the pullback to be truly over if we break this low over here. That would mean a break of internal structure, but currently, as far as the daily is concerned, the internal is bullish because we've had a break of structure here. After that, we've had a pullback. We've come into this huge imbalance that was there, and we're expecting price to maybe pull up further, but we'll know for sure that the daily has turned bearish in line with the swing once we have a break of this low. But as of now, we are in the pullback, and the pullback for the daily is bullish, but the swing structure is bearish. Moving on to the 4-hour, this is what the 4-hour looks like. We are bullish on the 4-hour. We've had a break of structure here, after which we've pulled back, and currently we are still in the pullback phase, and we're expecting price to, again, even over here, we've pulled back pretty deep. There was this huge imbalance over here, and price has kind of now come down into this imbalance and balanced it again. And if the H4 is to remain bullish, we would expect price to kind of continue. However, I am aware that when we pulled into this zone, which was this nested 4-hour supply zone inside this daily supply, so we do expect price to kind of reverse from here. And in case the H4 turns bearish, then it would be more confirmation that probably the daily pullback is over and price is now aligned with the daily swing structure of being bearish. So this is where we are currently. The pullback, which is bearish, perhaps right now this is very corrective price action. So my expectation would be, if this is to continue, would be to, kind of something like this. We come in here and then we kind of go further down, maybe here, and then, do something like this. But let's just wait and see. So this is as far as the H4 is concerned. We're bearish, and a very corrective price action, maybe into some supply zone here, and then we come down further. Moving on to the M15, this is the M15. The M15 is bullish. We've had a break of structure here. After the break of structure, we can expect a pullback. The pullback has happened. I think we've pulled back into the discount. If we just take the fib tool and mark this, so price has pulled into the discount. And now it makes sense to kind of look for longs. So we expect this high to be taken out, and we're kind of almost there. So I would expect what are the zones that we can probably look at. So one is obviously this. We could maybe expect price to kind of come down here. This is an M15 demand, and there is also this M15 demand, and so we would expect price to maybe come down to these zones, and then we can look at targeting this high as far as the M15 is concerned. Is this a strong demand zone? Well, can't really say it's a very strong demand zone. It's not. It does have a little bit of inducement in front of it. It's not swept any liquidity. It has not led to any break of structure really. The only reason why I've marked this is that I don't expect price to maybe come down to these levels. Maybe it could, but I would probably expect price to come in here and then kind of take this out. So my expectation here is going to be that we do something like this and then kind of do this and then, you know, go down further. So that's my expectation, which is kind of in line with the, yeah, something like this, the H4. Yeah, so that's coming into London, which is in about 45 minutes from now. I would expect price to you know, come down a little and then go further up, maybe into this zone on top. As far as sessions are concerned, so yeah, this is the Asian session. You know, we've moved with a lot of momentum, so maybe just dip in here and then continue the same. So yeah, so let's just wait and watch and let's see what price has to offer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. May the markets always be with you.